What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this is a prom tutorial. So first, I'm just going to start out with two colors in my Morphe 3502 palette, Contour and Spice. And I'm going to take a small blending brush. It does not have a name. I had got these brushes sent to me from Amazon. They're really nice to start out with, but I take it above my crease and I just begin blending it out. Now this is me taking, I believe this is a BH Cosmetics brush. It's a fluffy blending brush and it's clean. And I just begin blending out the harsh lines and making sure everything is blended. Next, I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to grab Rich with a kind of small smudged brush, and I'm going to begin putting that in my crease. Oh, why did I say a blending brush? It's a domed shadow brush. This is 410, and I just begin putting that darker color in my crease and blending it out to kind of give the look a little diff and darken it a little for when I do cut the crease. And I go back in with that same clean brush and I begin blending everything out and making sure there's no harsh lines or anything, and just making sure everything is blended. Next, I take a flat brush and I take my concealer. It is the Glam Glamifage by Hard Candy Heavy Duty Concealer, and it is in the color Tan. And I just cut my crease, and make sure you guys take your time on this to not mess up. I always seem to mess up on this part, trying to rush through it. But if you go slow, take your time, cut your crease, then you'll be fine. It'll turn out really nice. Also, with this concealer, I kind of regret using it on the lid there because it did smudge later whenever I was putting the color over it, which you'll see in a minute. But I go back in with that same brush from the beginning with the same two colors, Contour and Spice, and begin blending that out in the outer edge, so it doesn't just have that concealer look and it's just a line and it's just there. You want to blend that out a little. Next, I'm going to go in with my Becca palette, Volcano Goddess, and I'm going to take the colors Cloud and Volcanic Sand, and I'm going to pack that on to that concealer, where the concealer is, where I cut my crease. I would say if I was to do this again, I would probably just use my LA Pro Girl concealer to cut the crease, because that concealer, I did not like how it was blending out. You can kind of see it as I'm blending out. I just took that same brush from the beginning and putting those colors, just blending it out a little bit more. But now I am going in with this highlighter in Sunlight by Smoke and Mirrors highlight drops. And I'm just putting that all over my face so I can have that glowy look when I put my foundation on. And I did not show you guys the foundation process because I feel like it's just, self-explained. But I will let you know the colors that I use. I use 322 and 335 and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And it's the matte and poreless foundation. Next, I go in with that same flat brush that I did the cut crease with. And I am just putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, under my chin, and kind of scoping out the contour when I do the contour. And I believe, I showed that I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer, and it's in medium beige. I use a fluffy brush, BH Cosmetics. It came in their little kit, and I just blend that out. Usually I'll use a beauty blender anytime I do anything like this, but I kind of been lazy and slacking and haven't cleaned my beauty blenders yet, so I've just used a brush during this whole time. But usually I will blend it all out with a beauty blender. I take another fluffy brush, and I take my contour and the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark. I take the powder and I take the cream, and I'm just putting it in areas, scoping out my cheekbones and kind of along my hairline, forehead, and I'll show you how I contour my nose. And excuse the ratchetness. I was listening to music in the background. Really feeling myself, I guess. And this is where I'm showing you guys my nose contour. I just kind of line my nose, trying to make it look a little slimmer, and blend it out and blend it into the crease of my eyeshadow. And then I don't include this part, I kind of edit it out, but I take that flat concealer brush and I kind of go along the sides of it and blend it out so it doesn't look as harsh and in the middle. This is when I'm setting my concealer, is with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in Translucent and Transparent. And I just put that in all the areas that I highlighted, under my eyes, my chin, under the contour, my nose, and a little on my forehead. And then I'm going to go back into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to take that rich color with a kind of flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to just put that under my eyes and blend it out a little, just to kind of give it some color down there and it doesn't just look plain. Next, I'm going to get my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. I spray it on my face about 3 times because I just want to make sure everything's set, and I usually take my beauty blender at that time and I just pack it into my skin. And I'm going to take my Revolution Highlighting Kit palette, and I'm going to take those last 4 colors and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the point of my nose, my chin, kind of above my lip, And you're going to see that the highlight gets a little more intense. I don't think I included it, but I also put those same drops that I put on my face earlier, and I put it in that same exact area. And I really would invest in those drops. They're really nice. If you have a Five Below store in your area, I do recommend that you go get them because they're very nice. I didn't expect the quality to be so good the way it is. But next, I take my Wet n Wild brown pencil and brown, and just this pink, light pink lipstick. I don't know where I got this, but I had it. And then some concealer, and I kind of just line in some concealer, and I just put it in the middle of my lips and kind of just blend it all out to lighten the pink a little bit more, because I didn't really like the color of the pink. It wasn't light enough for me. But that's pretty much it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this look. And if you guys try this look for your prom makeup or anything, please let me know. Send me pictures. I really do like the look. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for the next videos because I'm coming hard with these makeup tutorials. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you guys would like to see more of.
Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say